Hi friends! Today we learn the letter A. Let's learn A. Are you ready? A. A. Apple. A is for apple. Apple. A. A. Ambulance. A is for ambulance. Ambulance. A. A. Alligator. A is for alligator. Alligator. A. A. Astronaut. A is for astronaut. Astronaut. A. A. Airplane. A is for airplane. Airplane. A. A. Ant. A is for ant. Ant. Great job! You learned the letter A. See you next time on Deno's Academy. Bye-bye!